How to use Amazon Subscribe and Save. Welcome to the channel everybody, and let's get right into this tutorial. Amazon Subscribe and Save is a convenient service that allows you to automatically reorder your favorite product on a regular schedule. You can enjoy discount, free shipping, and the peace of mind knowing you will never run out of essentials. Now to check out some of the eligible products are many of the household items, personal care product and other essential easily qualify for your subscribe and save. If you are wondering how to subscribe, you can select on any of the product that is either household related or personal care. Once you have tapped on the product, find the option of schedule, which could be after you add in the cart option. In the cart option, you can schedule it for next month or so, in which you will also get some of the discount or even free shipping. To manage the subscription regarding the product, you can check out the user icon at the top. From here, scroll down until you find the option of your membership and subscriptions. From here, you will find all of the items that you have subscribed for. By adding it as a subscription, you will be getting some of the discount and benefits regarding it, even free shipping from time and again. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.